Now, pricing in a lawn care business, everybody has an opinion on it. From the retired contractor topping up his pension with low rates to the overwhelmed pro charging premium prices just to control their workload. The truth, both approaches work as long as the balance is right. So let's break down how you price your services the right way to avoid the biggest mistakes. You've probably heard it before. It's all about supply and demand, and that applies 100% to lawn care. If your customers are on the lower end of the scale, then you might expect a no job. But if you're charging premium prices, your work needs to stand out big time. People paying top dollar expect top-notch results, and that's only fair. And here's where things go wrong. If you're undervaluing your work, you'll feel rushed all the time. You'll try and cram in too many jobs. The quality of your work will suffer, and you'll end up with frustrated and unhappy customers. And it also goes the other way. Customers won't stick around if they're paying above market rates for an average service. If they're paying top rates, they'll expect a premium experience. If they don't get it, they'll take their business elsewhere. So how do you get the pricing right? You strike a balance. You charge a fair rate for excellent work, and you'll attract loyal clients. Happy customers equals low churn, it equals sustainable income. Manage expectations from the start. Make sure that your pricing reflects the service that you deliver. At the end of the day, pricing is part of your brand. Charge like a luxury brand? Well, you better deliver luxury service. If you're affordable and efficient, make sure your customers know what to expect. Set expectations right, deliver quality, and the pricing will take care of itself. So do you want more strategies to price your services right and scale your business? Join my free community, the Lawn Business Builders. Learn how to grow to 100K without employing anybody or spending a ton on ads. Click the link below. So what's your pricing strategy? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear how you handle pricing in your lawn care business. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lawn care business tips. Until next time, get out there, mow lawns, and have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.